Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can hide columns in your boards and forms on monday.com. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your workspace here on the left hand side inside your monday.com account, and in 2026 it works the following way. Simply select the workspace here and navigate to the board, form or item you would like to customize. It works pretty well for boards, so let me go with that board here, and after that select a view, like for example a Gantt view or a Kanban view. These Kanban views, for example, feature these columns that may contain in these items or cards. So if you'd like to hide these, for example for specific status, without removing the given status or column, you may do it by clicking into these three dots here, more actions, by selecting hide. And after that, simply select the given column you would like to hide. So let us remove or hide stuck. There you go, that's been hidden. And that's it. If you'd like to unhide it, click into hide here and select or tick this box here to the right, and that is going to restore the given column at the same location it was previously. And that's it guys, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.